So this is my new 2020 Silverado, and these are my new puddle lights. And let me show you how I'm going to install them. So this is the puddle light that comes factory. It's just a round puddle light. You need to take a flathead screwdriver, a small one, and insert it into this tab and depress it that way and pull down at the same time to remove it. Alright, so here we go. Now let me get the other light and see what that looks like. Make sure I'm pulling out the right part here. Alright, so here's the new one. You can see the tabs here, so it has to be, that wire has to be pulled off this way. And because they're going at separate angles, one is flat and the other is perpendicular, so it can only go on one way. I'm going to have to modify this. I'm going to have to grind that off. Otherwise I can't get the tab on. Let me trim that off and I'll be right back. Alright, so you can see where I just belt sanded that off. Flushed it up. I guess before I put it back in there, I want to make sure it works. And looky there. Alright, I'll plug it back in. So now, every time you unlock the truck, you get that on the floor. That is awesome. That is just freaking awesome. I like it. So it's a $100 upgrade or $100 add-on, whatever you want to call it, for a lot of fun. Thanks for watching.